Okay, in Abracadabra, it's magic. This is another one that we did, another one like we did with division. But one of the things that was thrown at you was they were mixed number division. Like in multiplication of fractions, you can't divide mixed numbers until they become improper fractions. So one of the things you need to keep track of, and let's pick, well, we can start with, well, let's just start with K. Which one? R? Where is it? Here? Oh, you want to do this one? Okay, so a whole number, 8 divided by 10 and 2/3. And let's also do one over here. T. 7 and 4/5. 7 and 4/5 divided by 1 and 3/10. I'm writing it in the wrong place because I'm going to go to white paper. Okay. So, we'll start on the left. First thing I want to do is turn it into improper fractions. We can't do anything until it's in improper fractions. So 5 times 7, 35 plus 4,
39.
So I have 39, keep the denominator the same, fifths, divided by 10 times 1, 10 plus 3, 13. So 13 tenths. Okay, we've now turned it into improper fractions. Now we're going to turn that into multiplication and use the multiplicative inverse. So now we're going to write it as 39 over 5 times. What's the multiplicative inverse of 13 tenths?
10 13.
10 13ths. Now, most people immediately start multiplying these big numbers. I don't. I'm going to say, I know 39 is 13 times 3, and I know 10 is 5 times 2. So here I am. And you know what? Because it's multiplication and I know the commutative property holds, I can say, instead of 5 times 13, I'm going to say 13 times 5. Do you see any big ones? 13 and 5, right? There's one, there's one, and what's our answer, guys? 6, just 6, plain old 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Pretty straightforward? Good. 8. What's the denominator of 8? 8 holes, right? 8 pizzas. 3 times 10?
30.
Plus 2 more?
32.
Okay, so we have 8 wholes divided by 32. What's the denominator?
3.
Thirds. Good. Now let's turn it into a multiplication problem. Turn it into multiplication and use the multiplicative inverse. So, 8 wholes times, what's the multiplicative inverse?
3 and 30.
3 over
32.
32. That's equal to, I'm going to turn it into factors so I don't have to do as much math. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And one of my rules I like to use, if I can, is going in numerical order. But 32 makes it easy. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. It's 5 2s. Big ones?
2.
2, 2,
2.
2, and we're done. So what's our final answer, guys?
3 over 4.
3/4. And that's it. Questions? Easier? Great.